Okay, so what I wanted to show you guys here is the difference between a new Sprag clutch and an old one. And if you look, you can see on the left we have a new one that has a nice uniform spring, no gaps or signs of stretching. And then we go over here to the old Sprag clutch, and we can see that the spring has been shocked and that there is some areas where the spring has been stretched. And that's going to cause the cam lobes to not have enough tension on them to properly engage. And then you get that fun kind of kickbacking, disengaging sound when you go and start it up. So unfortunately, the only way to remedy that is to go ahead and replace the clutch. And then we're going to clean up the flywheel, which doesn't look like it has a whole lot of wear on it. And then we're also going to clean up the Sprag clutch housing, which looks like it's in pretty good shape. Little signs of chattering, but nothing major that can't be dressed out. All right, then we're going to put her back together and get this plane back in business. It's also in for an annual and a 5-year hose change. So as long as we're at it with the engine off, we're doing new engine mounts, and this whole engine mount here has to come off. And yeah, new fuel lines, oil lines, coolant lines, the whole shebang.